Why, hello everyone, I'm your lovely host Innocent, and welcome to another Talkie Talk video. I never thought of myself as having any authority to give advice on anything, but I've had quite a number of people come to me asking for advice on voice acting. So, today I'd like to talk about my experience with starting out in voice acting and why I chose to pursue voice acting rather than any other type of acting. And perhaps if you guys like these types of topics or videos where I give advice and talk about some personal experiences or anything like that, leave a like and let me know in the comments below. Starting things off, let's talk about why I chose voice acting over other forms of acting. Simple answer, it came down to my self-esteem. I love acting, okay? I love stepping into other people's shoes, and I love not being myself. I don't have great self-worth or self-esteem or anything like that, so to not be me, that's awesome. Not to say I don't love other types of acting, I do. I was never comfortable having a lot of people stare at me. So why not just have people listen to me? And yes, this is also why I don't show my face in a lot of my videos. I'm trying my best to get over it. Baby steps, baby steps. Now, when I was just starting off in the world of voice acting, I didn't have a fancy mic. I didn't have connections or know people in the industry already. I was new and had general knowledge on how to go about things from theater. What I had on my side was a confidence in my voice. Unlike my appearance, I never thought about my voice as a hindrance to me. Sure, I hated the sound of my voice when listening to recordings of it, but everyone does, trust me. So that comes to the next part of this Talkie Talk video, the advice. The one piece of advice I could give to anyone who wants to voice act, or is already voice acting, or anything really, is simple. Audition for as many roles as you want to, and after you send in that audition, forget about it. Never less for a particular role. Just when you're done submitting your audition, give it literally zero thought after it's in the casting director's hands, okay? Okay, alright. If you get the part, great! If you don't sweat it. There's always a need for voices, and yours is unique. Just keep auditioning and showing your voice to the world. You will never get every single role you audition for. If you're lucky, you might get a callback for maybe a different character that the director thinks suits you better. All in all, audition and forget. That is the best piece of advice I could give to anyone wanting to voice act. If you're a voice actor or are thinking of starting out voice acting, leave any questions you might have about the profession in the comments below, and I'll give you all of the advice I have to offer. And of course, I'll be trying to give more tips and tricks and advice in future videos, but this is all for now. Maybe I can make this into a weekly thing. Who knows? We never speak of that. Anyway, if you liked what you just watched, feel free to click or tap here and it will take you to the latest video on my channel. Or you can let the YouTube algorithms choose a video it thinks you'll like. Magic! And of course, you can click or tap over here to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Come join the cult! We're always open to new members. Anywho, I hope to see you all soon. Peace out. Bye-bye!